Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about a classification of the algae, that is the thallophytes, primitive plants. So algae, uh, so these are classified into three classes actually. So why they are classified? Because based on their pigment color, different colors are present in the storage food, reserve food material. So based on that, these are divided into three classes. So they are chlorophyceae. Commonly we call it as a green algae, and phaeophyceae, that is the brown algae, common name, and the rhodophyceae, that is a red algae. So based on the pigments, these are classified as well as the reserve food material. Okay, let us discuss one by one. First one is the chlorophyceae. So that is a green algae. So all the algae, they are actually aquatic organisms and they are of different body, different shape it will be based on that. So they are the unicellular ones are also present. Colonial, unicellular is the Clavidomonas, colonial is the Volvax, remaining Eulothrix, Pyrogaria. So these are the filamentous ones. These are generally green in color due to the pigments chlorophyll A and B. Chloroplast is of different shapes, discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral or ribbon shape in different species. Okay, most of these members, they have one or more storage bodies called pyrenoids. Nothing but a starch, actually food, reserve food is the starch, right? So starch around that a protein layer is present, those are the pyrenoids present only in the green algae. So green algae have a rigid cell wall made up of inner cellulose and outer pectose. Vegetative reproduction by the fragmentation and the formation of different spores, it will takes place. Asexual reproduction, it takes place by the flagellated motile zoospores produced in the zoosporangia. The sexual reproduction, it may be isogamous, that is similar, anisogamous, or the oogamous, that is dissimilar. Okay, phaeophyceae. Next one is the brown algae. So this is present in from simple branched or the filamentous structure, that is the ectocarpus, to the profusely branched one kelp, that is the largest algae actually. So they are brown in color because of the xanthophyll pigments, fucoxanthin, and chlorophyll is also present because these are the photosynthetic A and C. Food is reserved in the form of laminarin and the monitel. These are also sugar molecules. Cell wall made up of cellulose, inner cellulose, and the outer gelatinous algin is present. The plant body is usually attached to the substratum by the holdfast and a stalk and a stipe, that is stipe, and the leaf like frond is present. Vegetative reproduction by the fragmentation, asexual by the biflagellated zoosporus. So these are pear shaped and with unequal laterally attached flagella. Sexual reproduction may be of the three types, any one it will takes place. Union of the gametes may takes place in the water or within the oogonium. So that is external or internal, it will takes place. The gametes are pyriform, that is pear shaped, and bear two laterally flagellated ones. And the examples are ectocarpus, dictyota, laminaria, sargassum, and the fucus. Laminaria is the largest, it is a kelp, it is the largest brown largest algae. So among all the algae, so this kelp or the laminaria is the largest one. So they have a these are the examples. So next one is the rhodophyceae, that is a red algae. So these are, of course, the name suggesting that they have a red colored pigment, that is the phycoerythrin red pigment is present. And mostly these are the marine organisms with the greater concentrations found in the warmer areas. They found in both well lightened areas close to the surface of the water and also at the greater depths they are present. So the red thalli of most of the red algae are multicellular ones. So here the main thing is the food reserve material. It is a Floridian starch, which is similar like the amylopectin and the glycogen in the structure. Vegetative reproduction by the fragmentation, and here non-motile spores as well as non-motile gametes by in a sexual and the sexual reproduction we can observe. Without flagella, they can't move. Sexual reproduction is the oogamous. Oogamous is the male is always motile and the smaller one, but here it is non-motile, but it is a small one, and the female is always the largest one. And of course, they are the non-motile. And here examples: Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Gracilaria, and the Gelidium. So the members, the cell wall, coming to the cell wall, they have a outer gelatin, that is it is made up of agar. So they will secrete the agar wall that is made up of. So this is the important thing. So economic importance of the algae. So at least half of the total carbon dioxide is fixed on the earth by the algae, that is through the photosynthesis. That is a large amount of the oxygen is producing by the algae. So they are primitive producers of energy rich compounds which form the basis of the food cycles of the all aquatic animals. So these are the primary producers. Many species like Sargassum, Laminaria, Porphyria are used as a food. So some marine brown and red algae will produce large amount of the hydrocolloids. So that is the water holding substances. One is the algin by the brown algae and the carrageen by that is a red algae. Okay, algae. So this is about that. So agar, which is a commercial product, which is a solidifying agent actually. So that is produced by the red algae. So that is those algae are the Gelidium and the Gracilaria used to grow microbes, and in the preparation of ice creams and the jellies, we these are used. Agar is used, and also in the laboratory as a solidifying agent to prepare the nutrient medium. Chlorella and spirulina. So these are the green algae actually, which are unicellular ones and also rich in the proteins. So that's why they are used as a SCP, that is single cell protein food supplement, even by the space travelers. Okay, in the space traveler also they will use it as a food supplement for the proteins. So this is these are the important, economically important characters of the algae. So large amount of the oxygen is producing by them. Hope you all understood, and thank you, and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you so much.